Hey folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grisso and we have a fresh trade-in just for you. This is an incredible 2015 Hyundai Sonata Sport, a super nice sedan. With wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors, door visors, and also this vehicle is certified, so you've got a buttload of warranty on there. But let me go over some of those inside features. Coming into the back of this Sonata Sport, as you can see, we have loads of storage space for all your boxes and bags, and a removable cargo net. Underneath the specialty Sonata floor mats, you also have a spare tire with the tools to change it if you needed them. In the back row here, you're going to have a 40/60 split cloth interior with the drop-down cup holders. Not only is this stuff comfortable, but it's loads of fun to drive in. And then coming up front, you're going to have all sorts of great features like power seating, heated seats, dual climate control, an LED display for your CD player, your backup camera, and so many other great things. You gotta come check it out in person. This is a super great sedan. Not only does it also have the built-in navigation, but also the leather trim. Again, my name is Sterling Grisso. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman, we're your dealership, but this is your car.